The Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 is already a year old, and silence on the rumor front regarding the prospective next generation Android flagship from Sony is deafening. But at long last, the 6 sequel to the 2019 release Xperia 1 is in the spotlight, and according to the always reliable Steve and the folks at Expert Pick said remarkable details about this phone. The screen borders of the Xperia 1 Mark 7 are not massive by any measure of the world, but they are very visible, especially the top and bottom bezels. It will be considered taller than the 6.7-inch Galaxy S25 Plus, though the screen size of this phone is rumored to be around 6.5 inches. At 74.5 mm, then this newest member is narrower than both the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra, but just a tad bit wider than Xperia 1 Mark 6. The Xperia 1 Mark 7 is expected to bump its predecessor's 8.2mm profile to 8.5, which suggests an increase in battery size. There will be no changes to the display. As you know, the aspect ratio of the predecessor was changed from 21:9 to the universally accepted 19.5:9. That will be unchanged. But it seems like there might be a change in the resolution of the screen, because last time it was downgraded from 4K to Full HD Plus. So there's a lot of confusion going on, like what is going to be the pricing, how it's going to be. But it should have a May launch, so we will get more details about it. The rumored or the confirmed specs of this phone will come with Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with 16GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, and a combination of 3 cameras on the back, which will be 48 megapixel main. Telephoto will be 12 megapixel and ultra wide will be 12 megapixel.